cat in jail. Isn't she pretty? No! Bad kitty!
Yeah.
She's trying to get to the pom-pom to rape again. So just they're at the jail, so jail, blah, whatever it's called. Come here, kitty, kitty.
She might want
You can't hold it up.
Hold on, I love it. Why can't oh.
Bad kitty. Kitty, kitty. Shit, can't see him. Where is it? Somewhere I was doing jail cell now. Here you go, you're like in jail. Oh, shit. She's gonna be pissed at you.
Chrissy, hold it. No, get back in there.
Come here, dude.
Hot.
No, Dad, Kitty. And that was your funny episode of My Cat in Jail.